Hey guys, it's Skullcraft here, and I'm gonna be doing Op PvP. It's just me this time, sadly, because my brother's doing school, and he also took his computer in to be fixed. So yeah, alright. So we're gonna be playing Op PvP. This is our property, like on the other episodes. This is our property. Hey bud, get out of here. This isn't yours. Forward. I hit him. Join in the fight. Alright, we need to stick you. Go. Obvious hack. Yeah, that's obvious hack. Hackers, little cheapos. Crap, it is. Alright, get up there. Oh my gosh, obvious hack. Well, this guy doesn't hack. He's just a noob. Boop. Alright, slash kit op. Dang it, didn't. Oh no, I didn't get the apples. Alright, we're good. New bow. Yes. We need a new bow. Alright, we got it. Alright, let's renew our armor. There you go. Alright, we're good. Load any unnecessary junk. What we need is that one arrow. Gosh, how much stuff do I have? Alright, we're good. Now I need to do Kit Paladin. If you want to download this song, it's called, it's by Monstercat, and it is called Self-Destruct. Get off. Go. Aw crap, hacks. Obvious hacks. Cheapo. Can't even hit you. That's what happens when you're on my property. See ya. Alright. Oh, don't pick up. This is like the best song ever. Hey, bro. Dude, get off our lawn. Get off my lawn, hipster. Overchuck. There it is. Woo! They call me a pearl chucker. Dude, obvious hacks. And cheap. Hey, dude. Seriously, dude, you're so annoying. Oh gosh. Get out. This is my property. Me and my friend's property. Get off. Guys, just saying, if you come on, you're gonna get sticked off. Woo, aimbot. guy's total aimbot. Dude, come fight like a man. Go stick. When are you going to learn to get away? It's so annoying and fun. Hello! Oh my gosh, so stupid. When do you learn to just get away? Take a vacation or something, okay? This is our... Oh my... Hats. Hats. Oh my gosh. Tell killer hat aimbot, and I was recording. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Or see ya next time.